It's time for today's Due North Insider, brought to you by Rapid Marine Family of Dealerships.
One of my favorite ways to enjoy the great outdoors is foraging for wild mushrooms, and today I have hit the jackpot with this beautiful cluster of a mushroom most commonly called chicken of the woods. And yes, most of us agree it really does taste like chicken. Now, chicken of the woods typically starts popping up in the late summer and into the fall, and usually you're gonna find it growing on dead or dying hardwood trees like oak or cherry. Now, I'm gonna cook this up later, so to harvest it, I'm simply gonna take my knife and slice away some of the more tender, new outer pieces, just like this. Now, chicken of the woods is identifiable by this bright orange color, and the backside is usually a yellow or kind of a white, and it grows in these interesting shelves like this. Now, always remember, know your foraging safety, and when consuming wild mushrooms, don't eat anything unless you're absolutely certain that you know what it is. And most wild mushrooms need to be cooked through thoroughly as well.